In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use icons in Base44. We'll walk through a simple 3-step process so you can quickly update or change icons in your Base44 app. I'll explain what you're doing at each step and share a few tips to make the process smoother, especially if you're new to the Base44 editor. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 workspace and you have the app you want to edit open. Once you're in, start by going to the dashboard. At the top of the editor, you'll see a navigation area with different sections for your app. Look for the option labeled Dashboard and click on it. The dashboard is basically your main control center for the app. From here, you can access key areas like your workspace, connections, pages, and of course the overview where you'll be managing icons. If you don't see the dashboard right away, check the top navigation bar or the side panel and make sure you're in the correct app. Next, from the dashboard, you want to move into the overview section. In the navigation within the editor, find and click on Overview. This section gives you a high-level view of your app structure and layout. It's usually where you can see different components, cards, or sections that make up your interface. The overview is important because it's where the icons you want to change are usually displayed in context, alongside the text, buttons, or cards they belong to. Take a second to let the page fully load, and then visually scan for the part of the app where you know an icon appears, such as a button, a menu item, or a card header. Once you've located the section that contains the icon, the final step is to click directly on the icon itself. Hover your mouse over the icon until it's highlighted or selectable, then click it. This should open the icon's settings or properties panel in the editor, usually on the right side of the screen. From there, you can typically change which icon is used, adjust its size, and sometimes tweak styling options like color or spacing, depending on your app's configuration. After making your adjustments, remember to save or publish your changes so they're reflected in the live version of your app. And that's it. Go to the dashboard, open the overview, then click on the icon to access and edit it.